Hi, I'm Paula from Paula's DIY Decor, and welcome back to my channel. I'm the crafter from Down Under, and today I want to share with you some images and some video of my Easter tablescape for 2021. I'm not going to talk very much, I'll let the music play out, but really I just wanted to show you how, with a little bit of imagination, a few garlands, some little Easter bunnies, and of course some homemade Easter eggs and beautiful homemade florals and decor, you too can create a beautiful tablescape to celebrate Easter. It is a throwback, but I found it in my photo library and I couldn't wait to share it with you. I had a lot of joy putting this beautiful tablescape together. Here you can see a beautiful wreath that I designed and I put together with a beautiful Easter bunny plate that I used in the center of my wreath, and then I proceeded to decorate my table. I really wanted to make this Easter extremely special because last Easter we were in the middle of COVID, we were in lockdown, and it was really difficult to celebrate with our family and friends given all of the restrictions that we had in Australia. So this year we were finally able to celebrate together as a full family with all of my family able to come over, and as you can see I used a mixture of bunnies and florals and decor and vases. I made it all myself and I just thought it turned out absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favourite tablescapes. I even decorated above us when we sat down. There were some beautiful candles that were hanging down on fishing wire, so that it looked like they were floating in the sky. This is a table centerpiece that I made using some Easter rabbits that I got from a $2 store, and I used lots of florals and floral foam to really make the table look absolutely gorgeous. Our takeaways for our guests were some little buckets that I bought from a $2 store, and I just hand wrote Easter and hippity and hop, some beautiful little Easter signs, just to give some delight and some character to the table. I'll let you enjoy the scenery, I'll let you enjoy this tablescape. I hope you've enjoyed it. I absolutely loved making this Easter tablescape. Leave me some comments below. If you like what you're watching, please subscribe, hit that bell so you can be so that I can let you know every time I upload a video. Enjoy. I'll see you soon. Bye.